JavaScript was created in 1995 by Brendan Eich. Eich was working at Netscape Communications at the time. Netscape Navigator was the most popular web browser back then. The web needed a language for making web pages dynamic, and so Eich created JavaScript in just 10 days. Initially, JavaScript was called Mocha. It was later renamed to LiveScript, and finally it became JavaScript. The name change was intended to capitalize on the popularity of Java. However, JavaScript and Java are different languages. JavaScript was a success. It allowed developers to add interactivity to web pages. JavaScript could handle things like form validation and animations. It was a simple language that was easy to learn. This simplicity made it popular among web developers. JavaScript helped to make the web more dynamic and engaging. It was a key factor in the growth of the World Wide Web. In the late 1990s, Microsoft released Internet Explorer. This started the browser wars. Both Netscape and Microsoft wanted to dominate the web. They released their own versions of JavaScript. Microsoft's version was called JScript. These different versions led to compatibility issues. Websites often had to be written for specific browsers. This fragmentation was a problem for developers. To address this, the industry came together. They created a standard called ECMAScript. ECMAScript provided a common set of rules for JavaScript. This standardization ensured that JavaScript code could run consistently across different browsers. ECMAScript was a major step forward for web development. For many years, JavaScript was primarily a client-side language. It ran in web browsers. In 2009, Ryan Dahl created Node.js. Node.js allowed JavaScript to run on the server. Node.js uses the V8 JavaScript engine. V8 was developed by Google for its Chrome browser. This allowed developers to use JavaScript for both front-end and back-end development. Node.js was a game changer. It led to the development of many server-side JavaScript frameworks. Developers could now build entire web applications using only JavaScript. This full-stack capability of JavaScript further increased its popularity. It solidified JavaScript's position as a versatile and essential language for web development. In 2015, ECMAScript 6 or ES6 was released. ES6 introduced many new features to JavaScript. These included arrow functions, classes, and modules. These additions made JavaScript more powerful and expressive. ES6 marked a significant step in the evolution of JavaScript. It brought modern programming concepts to the language. It paved the way for the development of even more sophisticated web applications. Today, JavaScript is a cornerstone of web development. It is used by millions of developers worldwide. It powers countless websites and web applications. JavaScript has come a long way since its humble beginnings in 1995. It continues to evolve with new features and updates. JavaScript is an essential language for anyone involved in web development.